Importance of maintaining wood shutters. Wood shutters are not just decorative elements, they serve practical purposes as well. They can provide privacy, insulation, and protection from the elements, enhancing the overall energy efficiency of your home. However, neglecting their maintenance can lead to a range of issues, including 1. Fading and discoloration due to sun exposure and weathering. 2. Warping, cracking, or splitting caused by moisture and temperature fluctuations. 3. Loose or missing hardware that compromises their functionality. 4. Accumulation of dirt, grime, and debris that can detract from their appearance. Regular wood shutter repair and refinishing can help prevent these problems, ensuring your home's exterior remains visually appealing and structurally sound. Wooden shutter refurbishment. The process of wood shutter refurbishment involves carefully inspecting each shutter and addressing any underlying issues. This may include structural repairs. 1. Fixing warped, cracked, or split wood. 2. Replacing damaged or missing hardware. 3. Reinforcing the shutter's frame and louvers. Surface preparation. 1. Removing old paint or stain. 2. Sanding the surface to create a smooth, even finish. 3. Filling any holes or imperfections. Refinishing. 1. Applying a fresh coat of high-quality paint or stain. 2. Sealing the wood to protect it from the elements. 3. Ensuring a consistent, professional-looking finish. By addressing both the structural and aesthetic aspects of your wood shutters, the refurbishment process can restore their original charm and functionality. Wood shutter refinishing. In addition to refurbishment, wood shutter refinishing is another important service that can breathe new life into your home's exterior. This process involves 1. Stripping the existing paint or stain from the wood. 2. Sanding the surface to create a smooth base. 3. Applying a fresh coat of high-quality paint or stain. 4. Sealing the wood to protect it from the elements. The refinishing process can transform the appearance of your wood shutters, allowing you to change the color or finish to better complement your home's style. Signs that your wood shutters need repair and refinishing. Recognizing when your wood shutters require attention is the first step in maintaining their beauty and functionality. Here are some common signs that it's time to consider professional wood shutter repair and refinishing services. 1. Fading, discoloration, or uneven weathering. 2. Warping, cracking, or splitting of the wood. 3. Loose or missing hardware. 4. Accumulation of dirt, grime, or debris. 5. Peeling, chipping, or flaking of the existing paint or stain. Addressing these issues promptly can prevent further damage and ensure your wood shutters continue to enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. Benefits of professional wood shutter repair and refinishing services. Partnering with a reputable wood shutter repair and refinishing service provider like Diamond Custom Shutters can offer a range of benefits, including expertise and experience. 1. Skilled technicians with extensive knowledge of wood shutter restoration. 2. Access to high-quality materials and techniques for long-lasting results. Efficient and timely service. 1. Streamlined assessment and project completion. 2. Minimal disruption to your daily routine. Customized solutions. 1. Tailored recommendations based on the condition of your wood shutters. 2. Assistance in selecting the perfect color or finish to complement your home. Warranty and guarantee. 1. Confidence in the quality of the work performed. 2. Peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. By entrusting your wood shutters to a professional service provider, you can ensure they are restored to their former glory and continue to enhance the overall aesthetic of your home. Choosing the right wood shutter repair and refinishing service provider. When selecting a wood shutter repair and refinishing service provider, it's essential to consider the following factors: reputation and track record. 1. Look for a company with a proven track record of delivering high-quality work. 2. Check customer reviews and testimonials to gauge their level of service. Expertise and certifications. 1. Ensure the technicians are trained and experienced in wood shutter restoration. 2. Look for certifications or accreditations that demonstrate their expertise. Range of services. 1. Determine if the provider offers a comprehensive suite of wood shutter services. 2. Ensure they can handle both repair and refinishing needs. Warranty and guarantee. 1. Inquire about the warranty or guarantee on their workmanship. 2. This will give you confidence in the longevity of the repairs and refinishing. Professionalism and communication. 1. Assess the provider's responsiveness and attention to your needs. 2. Ensure they are transparent about the project timeline and costs. By considering these factors, you can find a reliable and trustworthy wood shutter repair and refinishing service provider that will deliver exceptional results for your home. Looking for wood shutter repair near me? If you're located in Ontario, Canada, and in need of professional wood shutter repair and refinishing services, Diamond Custom Shutters is a trusted name in the industry. With years of experience and a commitment to excellence, they have helped countless homeowners revive the charm and functionality of their wood shutters. Just have a look at some of our reviews at Home Stars and you'll quickly confirm our 99% positive ratings and much more. You can access this information inside the description area of this video or in many areas on our main website at diamondcustomshutters.ca. Diamond Custom Shutters, a trusted name in wood shutter repair and refinishing in Ontario, Canada. Diamond Custom Shutters is a leading provider of wood shutter repair and refinishing services in Ontario, Canada. With a team of skilled technicians and a focus on customer satisfaction, they have earned a reputation for delivering exceptional results. Their comprehensive approach to wood shutter restoration includes 1. Thorough inspection and assessment of the existing conditions. 2. Structural repairs to address warping, cracking, or other damage. 3. Surface preparation, including sanding and cleaning. 4. Refinishing with high-quality paints or stains. 5. Reinstallation of the repaired and refinished shutters. By combining their expertise with top-of-the-line materials, Diamond Custom Shutters ensures that your wood shutters not only look their best but also maintain their functionality for years to come. To learn more about Diamond Custom Shutters wood shutter repair and refinishing services in Ontario, Canada, contact us at 416-571-3315 or visit the link in the description to learn more about everything we do. Our team of experts will be happy to provide a free consultation and guide you through the process of reviving your home's exterior charm. Please like, share and subscribe and have a wonderful day.